Hello, my dear children. How are you? So, dear children, we have completed our first chapter and we have done some of the exercises also. Today, we are going to do exercise A and exercise B. So, you should be ready with your notebooks and your pencils also. Discuss the following questions. First is, why do you think Mowgli pushed his way in beside the other cubs and ate with them? So we have to give the reason why Mowgli did so. Mowgli did so because he was brave and he was hungry also. So that was the reason he pushed beside the other cubs and ate with them. The second question is, what are laws? Why do you think we have them? Now children, what are laws? Laws are set of rules and regulations. So uh, we have laws. The government has provided us with some laws because see, if somebody do something wrong, there is a punishment for it, isn't it? So there is police is there to catch the thieves and so on, so that we will feel safe and secure. Yeah. The next question is, what is your favorite wild animal? Why do you like it? So this is your own choice. You have to write the name of your favorite wild animal and you have to give reason why you like it. Then exercise B is, find the following extract from chapter 1 and discuss their meanings. So page 8 they have given, Father Wolf was not happy. The law of the jungle says an animal can kill or eat man only when teaching its children. Now we have to discuss its meaning. What does this extract mean? This extract means, children, that Father Wolf was not happy because he was not happy because he felt that Sher Khan would kill a human baby. So that is why he was not happy, and he remembered the law. What the law says, that an animal can kill or eat man only when teaching his children. Second is, Father Wolf carefully picked up the baby in his mouth and put it down next to his own cubs. So, what does this show? This shows that Father Wolf was very caring and he did not want to harm the child. Next is, Sher Khan understood too and backed out of the cave, still hungry and crawling. Now, what does this mean? As we have studied the chapter, it means that Sher Khan understood that mother wolf is not going to give the baby to him. So that is why he left the cave. Now you do one thing, you take out your notebooks and you start writing. You write down the first. So first question you write down and the answer you note from here. Mowgli pushed his way in beside the other cubs and ate with them because he was brave and hungry too. So this was the reason. So you write down what was the reason. Mowgli was brave and hungry too. The second question, what are laws? Why do we think we have them? Discuss. Laws are set of rules and regulations. What are laws? Laws are set of rules and regulations. We have them for smooth functioning. functioning. Functioning of life. So why we have rules? We have rules for smooth functioning of life. Next question, what is your favorite wild animal? Why do you like it? So I told you earlier also, children, you can write any name of any wild animal you like, and but you have to give the reason. So I have written cheetah, CHEETAH. Cheetah is my favorite wild animal because it is the fastest land animal. Now children, exercise B. So first answer is, Father Wolf was not happy as he felt that Sher Khan would kill the human baby. Second, Father Wolf showed the caring attitude towards the human baby. It means he was very caring. Third, Sher Khan understood that Mother Wolf would not give the baby to him. That was the reason why he left the cave. So my dear children, we have completed the first chapter and all the exercises. These exercises, part A and part B, exercise A and B, you are going to write neatly in your notebooks, and you are going to learn all the exercises. Children, revise the chapter daily and learn the chapter. Write down, make proper notes and learn. And be sincere in your studies. Study well and prepare your chapters well. So, we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.